In this video, I'm going to show you how you can replace images on your slides in Google Slides. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I have here a slide that I'd like to replace this image. So go ahead and click first on the slide that you want to replace the image, and then click on the image that you wish to replace on that particular slide. Now, there are two ways you can replace an image on a slide. First, you can go ahead and choose this option called Replace Image, and it will give you an option to select where you want to choose the image from. Alternatively, if you just go ahead and right click on the image, you'll see we have an option to replace the image here. From this, go ahead and choose whether you want to replace an image from computer, camera, URL, drive, or even your stock and web images. So for my case, I want to use stock and web images. And if I click on it, you can see we have quite a number of images here that I can replace this image with. From this, I'll go ahead and click on the first image to replace it with, and look at that. Once you click it, it will replace and fit perfectly well, just like the other image. So that's how you can replace images in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.